Welcome back to Mooney English. This is article reading number 109. Spain flood survivors hurl mud at royals and officials.
A crowd of enraged survivors hurled mud left by flooding at the Spanish royal couple on November 3rd during their first visit to the center of their nation's deadliest natural disaster in living memory. On October 29th, heavy rain caused flash floods in eastern Spain, leaving people with no time to react. Trapped in vehicles, homes, and businesses, many died, and thousands of homes were destroyed by a tsunami-like wave of mud. Authorities have now recovered 217 bodies and continue to search for an unknown number of missing people. There has been anger with the government's poor management of the crisis. The floods had already hit the town of Paiporta when authorities issued an alert to mobile phones. It was 2 hours too late. More anger has been fueled by the slow response of officials after the disaster. Most of the cleanup of mud and debris has been done by residents and thousands of volunteers. On November 3rd, during the royal visit to Paiporta, this anger erupted. Spain's national broadcaster reported that a few rocks and other objects were thrown. The monarchs and officials called off another stop at a second hard-hit village, Chiva, about half an hour to the east of Valencia City.
Unprecedented, an adjective that means that which has never happened, been done, etc.
It was an unprecedented incident for the royals, who are usually greeted by crowds of fans. Officials also rushed Prime Minister Pedro Sanchez from the scene soon after his group started to walk the mud-covered streets of one of the hardest-hit areas. "Get out! Get out! And killers," the crowd in Paiporta shouted, among other insults. Bodyguards opened umbrellas to protect the royals and other officials from the mud. Police had to step in, some officers on horses, to keep back the crowd. However, King Felipe, with some mud on his face, remained calm and insisted on trying to speak with people as he continued his visit. The king later told regional authorities that they had to give hope to those affected by the flood and attend to their needs, guaranteeing that the state is there for them.